Welcome. We are on Unit 10, which is our final unit prior to summer, and it's a very brief unit. We typically don't have a lot of time on Unit 10, and so we'll progress through that. But I want to go ahead and set you up. This is arithmetic and geometric progressions. We spend just a little bit of time on this because it is tested, and so we've got to be ready for that. Let's see. Let me pull up the slides. Won't take a lot of your time today. And here we go. So as you can see, arithmetic geometric progressions, we're only going to cover briefly a couple TEKs here, 12C supporting and 12D supporting, which are identifying terms in arithmetic and geometric sequences, and then writing arithmetic and geometric sequences formula for the end term. You can see the TEKs are listed here. 12C is a supporting, identifying the terms, both arithmetic and geometric, and then 12D, writing the formula for the end term. Our data on this is somewhat sparse. I'll need to add the 2024 data, so I'm going to write myself a note right now to do that. So by the time you see this in actual reality, you will actually see the data from 2024. Vocabulary, you can see there, common misconceptions, mistakes students make, vertical alignment. There isn't much here, which makes sense because we don't do anything with those in 6th, 7th, and 8th grades. Our pacing is just 4 days prior to summit, 2 days on 12C, 2 days on 12D. Our instructional strategies go back to McGraw-Hill, utilizing their resources, which again, a little bit rudimentary, but I still like the comprehensive of them. Language support, you can see the wording there. Our resource showcase, since we're only doing a little bit with McGraw-Hill, just to kind of get you familiar with this again, they provide a slide deck to us with their package product that they give. They are articulated very well with Texas TEKs, and so it's a worthwhile slide deck. Typically, it encompasses some sort of a warm up. In this case, it says 5-minute check, but it's a warm up activity with decreasing functions, exponential functions. Second warm-up problem there. I think this is actually the slide deck you're going to use for a couple days, talking about what you're teaching, and then introducing geometric sequence, identifying geometric sequence. Again, it lends itself to an I do, we do, you do type of format. Check for progress are usually things I would have the students do. Finding terms in geometric, and check your progress. This is the particular geometric slide deck for both 12C, 12D. There is an arithmetic version that looks just like this, only obviously it has the arithmetic sequences involved and your exit tickets. So not a bad resource to use, comprehensive enough. And then we finish with our intervention. Since there are no essential readiness here, we don't have any intervention. We do have a couple of extension activities. This does take you to the first week of April, which is summit time. And of course, you know us folks that are willing to do whatever you need us to do to help you in what is one of the most challenging but rewarding jobs out there, and that's being a teacher. So good luck. Let me know if you need anything. Take care.